Welcome. Today, we're diving into the visionary ideas of Alexander Hamilton and his encouragement of entrepreneurship in early America. Join us as we explore how Hamilton's policies helped lay the groundwork for economic growth and innovation. Alexander Hamilton, one of the founding fathers, was the first Secretary of the Treasury of the United States. A brilliant economist and statesman, Hamilton had a profound impact on the nation's financial system. Hamilton envisioned a modern economy driven by industry, commerce, and entrepreneurship. He believed that supporting business and innovation was key to America's prosperity and independence. In 1791, Hamilton presented his report on manufactures to Congress, advocating for government support of industry. He argued that manufacturing would diversify the economy, reduce dependence on foreign goods, and create jobs. Hamilton proposed policies to encourage entrepreneurship, including protective tariffs, subsidies, and infrastructure development. These measures aimed to foster a climate where businesses could thrive and compete globally. Hamilton championed the creation of the first Bank of the United States to provide credit and financial stability. A national bank would support entrepreneurs by facilitating access to capital and investment. Hamilton's vision extended to technological innovation and the development of new industries. He believed that a dynamic economy would drive progress and elevate the nation's status on the world stage. Hamilton's policies helped lay the foundation for the Industrial Revolution in the United States. His emphasis on entrepreneurship and industry contributed to the country's transformation into an economic powerhouse. Not everyone agreed with Hamilton's approach. Some feared that a strong central government would infringe on states' rights. Despite opposition, Hamilton's ideas have had a lasting influence on American economic policy. Hamilton's encouragement of entrepreneurship resonates today as a cornerstone of American identity. His legacy is evident in the thriving culture of innovation and enterprise that defines the U.S. economy. Hamilton's vision highlights the importance of supporting entrepreneurs and fostering a business-friendly environment. His ideas remind us of the vital role that innovation and industry play in national prosperity. Studying Hamilton's encouragement of entrepreneurship offers insights into the dynamics of economic development. It encourages reflection on the balance between government support and market freedom. For students and educators, exploring Hamilton's economic policies provides a deeper understanding of early American history. Learning about Hamilton's support for entrepreneurship helps us appreciate the foundations of modern economic systems. It reminds us of the enduring values of innovation and enterprise. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Alexander Hamilton's encouragement of entrepreneurship and its impact on America. For more information and educational resources, check the link in the description for Homeschool Materials. If you found this video informative, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more historical insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. How do you think Hamilton's vision influences today's economy?